$5 keyboard.
Terrible. The worst. I hate those.
$10 keyboard.
Same thing.
$20 keyboard.
Honestly, the same.
$50 keyboard.
Better, I guess.
$100 keyboard.
Best. Yeah, there you go.
$200 keyboard.
Overkill, but nice. Very nice.
$300 keyboard.
Stupid. Very it was unnecessary.
$500 keyboard.
That's nice. That's very nice.
Mega keyboard.
Nope. Not